Are you ready to create a stunning, high-resolution logo that truly represents your brand? Today, I'm going to show you how to do it effortlessly using Canva Pro. First, launch Canva and search for logo in the search bar. This will give you access to the perfect canvas to start designing your logo. Next, explore Canva's massive library of professional logo templates. Whether you're looking for something sleek, modern, or bold, there's a template for every style. Pick one that fits your brand vision and start customizing it. Now comes the fun part, customization. Change the colors, fonts, and icons to match your brand identity. You can even upload your own graphics or tweak existing elements to make your logo truly unique. Canva Pro also gives you access to advanced features like transparent backgrounds, premium icons, and unlimited color palettes, so your logo stands out in every format. Don't forget to experiment with design elements. Adjust sizes, add shapes, or play with spacing until everything feels just right. This is where your creativity makes your logo one of a kind. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design, download your logo in a high resolution. Canva Pro allows you to export in PNG, SVG, or PDF formats, perfect for both digital and print use. Now your brand has a professional logo ready to make a lasting impression. Creating a high-resolution logo has never been easier. With Canva Pro, your brand identity can look professional, polished, and powerful in just a few simple steps.